How to use threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Threads is a new app created by Instagram team. You can share text and media, as well as you can share your interests with your following and creators you care about. To get started with the app, you can simply go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, search for the app and then install it on your mobile phone. Or you can simply open up your Instagram app, and once you log in to your account, navigate to your profile page right here, and from there click on the three lines at the top right corner. You will get this menu list right here in which you want to click on threads. You will land on this page right here, which is kind of an announcement, and from here you want to click on the get thread button at the bottom. Get threads, click on it. You will be either redirected to the previous Play Store page if you have not yet installed the app, or it will open up the app just like it did for me, as I already have the app. Once you are on the app right here, you will have the option to either continue to log in with your Instagram username or to switch accounts. For the sake of this video, I'm going to continue with my Instagram username. Once you log in with your Instagram account, you will get to this page right here, which is the profile page, in which you will be able to customize your threads profile. Now, as you can see here, the first one, it says name, but it's locked, as it tells you that your name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. You have the option to add a profile picture, a bio, and a link. And for each one of these options, you can do it manually, or you can import it directly from Instagram, or you can just import everything from Instagram by clicking on the button at the bottom. This means that you can either copy and paste your profile on Instagram to be the same as your Threads profile, or you can customize your Threads profile to be different than your Instagram profile. Once you have set your profile page, click on continue at the top right, and you will get to this privacy page in which it tells you that your privacy can be different on Threads and Instagram. And as you can see here, you have the two options to either choose from a public profile where anyone on and off Threads can see, share, and interact with your content, or you can choose a private profile where only your approved followers can see, share, and interact with your content. Choose whatever option suits you the best and click continue at the bottom. The next step is you will get to this following page in which you will be able to follow some accounts, and you can follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. You can use the search feature, you can follow some of them manually, or you can click follow all at the bottom to follow the same exact accounts as your Instagram profile. Once you do that, you will be moved to this page right here in which it tells you a little bit about how Threads works. So go ahead and read it, and then when you're done, click on join Threads at the bottom. Once you have done that, your sign up process has been completed, and now you officially have a Threads account. Now, as you can see on the app right here, it has some different features, some different options that we will go through all of them one by one. Now, as you can see on the app interface right here, it has some tabs at the bottom, 5 tabs to be exact. The first one is the home or feed tab, and for your informations, the Your home or feed on Threads consists of text that can go up to 500 character, can consist and include of images and videos that can go up to 5 minutes. Now let's take a post and just go through it. Say for example, uh, this post right here. Let me choose a decent one. Say for example, this Nat Geo post right here. Now all of the posts will be the same. As you can see, it has some text, images, and your options right here are to, you can like the post, you can reply to the post, and you can repost the post as you can see, or quote, and you have the option to share the post by directly adding it to your story, or copy the link or sharing it via other social media and platforms, or other ways such as Bluetooth, etc. Now at the top right of the post you will see that you have uh, the period that the post has been posted for, and you have three dots. If you clicked on them, you can unfollow the account, mute the account, hide the account, or report the account. And at the bottom left of the post you will see the number of replies and likes. So that summarize your home or feed tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can scroll down on your home feed to reload it just like any other social media. Now the second tab is the search tab, which we'd obviously be using to find and follow new account that you want to see. As you can see right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. The third tab, which is the important one to me, is the new thread tab, in which you will be able to post new threads. You can add text. As you can see, you can click on the paperclip icon under the text to attach media and videos. As I said, you can attach photos and videos that can go up to 5 minutes, and you can have the option to add to thread. So if there's anything that you want to talk more about on your thread, you can do this here. And at the bottom left you have the option to choose who can reply to your threads. So you can choose from anyone, profile you follow, or mentioned only. And at the bottom right you can post your thread. If you clicked on it, your thread will be posted, and you will be able to click to view it directly, as you can see on your profile page right here. Now the fourth tab is the activity tab, which shows you your activity on the app. As you can see, you have some tabs: the all tabs, the replies, which shows you only the replies, the mentions, which shows you only the mentions, and the verified right here. I'd like to keep it set to all so I can see everything at once. And the final tab is your profile page right here. Now, as you can see, it kinds of similar to Instagram. uh, you have your profile name, username, and you have your profile image. You have the option to edit your profile if you want to. This kind of look the same as the previous profile page that we used to set our profile. You can share your profile if you clicked on the option here, just like Instagram. As you can see, it will give you some ways that you can use to share your profile. Now, you also have two tabs. You have the threads tab, which you will be able to see all of your threads, and you have the replies tab, which you can see your replies that you use to reply to other threads. Now, at the top left corner of your screen, there's a globe icon. If you clicked on it, you will be head over to the privacy section of your threads profile, in which you'll be able to turn your profile from private to public or public to private, whatever you want. You can edit and your mention settings, so who can mention you, etc. You can edit your muted accounts, in which you'll be able to find them all in one place. You can edit your hidden words and customize them, so you can turn them on and off and add and remove some words just like Instagram. And here you have the following and followers list. As you can see, here is the following list, and here you will find all of your followers, and here you will find your pending um, requests. And also here you have the option to see other privacy settings. This will redirect you to Instagram, as you can see, which you will find others privacy settings. Let me just, as you can see, it will take you to the privacy settings on Instagram. So let's go back to the app. uh, Also, another option is to find the and see the blocked account, which will also redirect you to the Instagram, and the hide likes option. These three will all redirect you to Instagram. As you can see next to them, there's this redirecting option, which means they will be opened up in a new tab. Uh, let's go back to our profile and see at the top left, top right corner of the profile page, you will see there's an Instagram icon. If you clicked on it, you will be redirected to your uh, Instagram uh, profile page. So let's go ahead and open up the app again, and next to it you will see that there are two lines icon. If you clicked on it, you will be uh, brought to the settings section of your Threads account. You will it kind of looks similar, very similar to Instagram, as you will be able to control the following and followers option right here, so you can invite friends, etc., using different methods. You have the notifications settings, which you can pause and specify and customize them to following followers, etc. You have the previous privacy um, page that we have seen when we clicked on the globe icon on our profile page. You have the account, which allows you to download your informations, maybe deactivate your profile, see your personal information, etc. And most of them will redirect you to Instagram, as it's directly linked with Instagram. So this app is kind of part of Instagram. And you have the option to change your languages. As you can see right here, you have the options to get some help, maybe this kind of very similar to the Instagram help center, where you will be able to contact the support team on Instagram. And finally, you have this about section, which tells you some privacy policies, terms of use, etc. about the app. And lastly, you will have the logout option to log out of your account. So that was it for this video. That was a full guide, a complete guide on how to use this new Threads app. I hope that this guide has been helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.